right, so I was gonna hop on here to do a totally different video, but I just grabbed my phone and realized what happened with Tesla stock this morning. Dropped to a new all-time low, $189.36 at the time of making this video, and I can't believe that it has ever been this low. Baffling me, right? Now, we know Tesla's totally volatile, but it's been years since, you know, I thought I would be able to purchase shares at this price. So I want to know what you guys are doing. Have you sold your Tesla shares? I've held through this entire time, and I just bought some more right now. So I'd love to know what you guys are up to. Update for everyone else out there that's been following me with the Giga Texas drone videos. Just got a new Mavic 3. I'm going to be testing out the night mode pretty soon. I'm hoping to get back doing a Giga Texas video soon. Everyone else there with following my photography, Roschetzky Photography. Project's going down right now. One is ending today, and I'm hoping to get a couple more videos in for that. What I've noticed when it comes to Tesla stock is that we've also have an all-time low of Google Trends. If you look on Google Trends right now, of course, everyone's talking about midterms. A lot of people, the entire stock market's down right now. Midterms could be definitely affecting this short term. We do see some resistance here, 189, 190, and who knows? This has been a crazy circus show. I don't think that it's going to stop. But I think the catalyst still is going to be when we see Cybertruck production actually begin. I think that there's a big holdup for that, and you know, seeing a full self-driving beta release wide to everyone that has full self-driving. I think that that's going to be a big, you know, catalyst that could be, you know, something that's holding up investors from thinking that full self-driving is even going to, you know, happen. And so maybe, you know, seeing that everyone now gets full self-driving beta that actually buys it, that's going to be a big, you know, push for people's mindset going forward. You know, there's a lot of idiots out there, and, you know, whether or not they think that this thing really is going to do it, it is totally possible, I guess, but it seems like no one else has the loads of mountains of data that Tesla's been collecting, and it just seems like this is definitely the way. So I think we're just going to leave it there, because, you know, it really is just something that baffles the mind. How crazy things are right now, how volatile everything is, and, you know, it's a different recession than we've ever seen before. This is not like anything else. Everything else seems pretty strong, and no other car even is competing with Tesla right now. So we do have something brewing in the mix. I think we're going to see something after the midterms, after we know the election status, and hopefully we get an update through Elon Musk and through the FSD beta wide release. I really do want to see that by the end of the year. I still don't have FSD beta, and that's something that, you know, I would love to see personally myself. Anyways, let me know down in the comments what you think, and hopefully we'll see you at Giga Texas soon.